Everyone. So I was playing around with Gutenberg keyboard shortcuts while I was working on a post a couple weeks ago, and thought I'd show you guys how they work out. So when you're working in Gutenberg blocks, you will start off with a paragraph block like this one. And of course, when you hit return, you would start off with another one, where I will then write the word paragraph correctly. One of the neat little tricks with Gutenberg is you could hit the slash key right there next to your right shift on most keyboards, and you can scroll through with your keyboard all of the core blocks or any of the blocks that are running on your Gutenberg post. Just like that. So if you wanted to add an image, you could select it, tab through all of the options, go to the media library, tab through it, follow a little blue highlight, and and your post will display. This works pretty well, as long as you don't get lost in the menus, which I just did. You can work your way through a post and edit very quickly, which I think is really neat. If I wasn't hitting tab there, I could just space down and then create a headline or create a quote. Hit the down key and keep on typing. Anyway, I thought this was a really neat tool, and a few weeks ago I was editing a post in Gutenberg and was really surprised that I didn't have to reach for my keyboard, my mouse, or my trackpad actually on my laptop. For the entire time I was editing a pre-existing post, I was just able to either use the tab key or the down key and just work my way through each and every block and work with them. In most cases, there are a few spots where you'll have to look at this. See, I can even italicize. Let me see if I can convert a block. Spacebar will allow you to, whoa! So naturally I have to get used to keyboard combinations. But you can make these changes live on your website really quickly. Before I post this, let's take a look. Here I am grabbing my my mouse. I saved this draft really quick. And I just want to see what version I am running of Gutenberg. So I am currently running 3.9.0. So thought I'd share that with everyone. I'm actually starting to really like Gutenberg, and I think this will be really useful for a lot of people who just want to work on their blog and in a kind of distraction-free method where you can just keep your hands on your keyboard and just keep on moving. Well, thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you later.